My name is Billy Warwick. I'm the founding director of Groundsman Industries. We manufacture a range of grass maintenance machinery, specialising in turf aerator machines and turf sod cutters. Traditionally, we had been making all the parts on the factory floor on manually operated engine lathes and milling machines. But as the quantities for parts grew, it became inefficient and just not feasible. We invested in a CNC, that is a computer numerically controlled machine, which obviously needs to be programmed. And this was a new skill for us, which required a lot of training. There was an email had come in from Causeway Coast and Glens about some scheme. I remembered it as a DTFF. So I looked that up and studied it and realised, heck, this is just tailor-made for what we need here, you know. So I applied and thankfully I was accepted. Parts like that there, as I said, being in larger quantities, were no longer feasible being built on engine lathes. And with our existing skills, before Mastercam came along, we can get all 5 of those CNCs up and running now when it's really needed, and rather than running into arrears with orders. And of course, not only that, but the part is produced more efficiently, which means more profit to the bottom line, and eventually, obviously, more money to spend on new research and development. So it's quite an advantage it gives us, you know. If we hadn't received assistance now for the DTFF funding, obviously because of the fact that 5 programs had to be custom written for our application, it put the cost out beyond our reach now. We would have got there eventually, but it certainly would have slowed us down on our growth, that's for sure. To me, it's one of the better schemes. It helps progressive companies to expand and to gain the latest technology. So I would say, definitely if you're in that category, go for it. It's worth it.